Hey, welcome back to Laser Engraving 911. So on this episode, we're going to talk about laser engraving.
Michael?
In every workshop, beneath the whir of the machines, lies a story untold.
I don't know if you're ready for this.
That's where things took a turn.
What in the world is going on here?
I think the most afraid I've ever been.
Tales of misfortune and of terrifying mistakes.
Somebody was just crazy and wanted 10 of everything that I owned.
The best resolution I could come to was to break one of the laser engraving cardinal sins.
5 creators, 5 stories, 5 laser engraving horrors.
And I was paralyzed with fear.
I think I might have died. I think that would have actually killed me.
So if that sounds like something you want to get into, they have no idea what goes on in our brain.
I don't even know what to do. I have no idea.
It was supposed to be easy.
Then buckle up,
You made a mistake.
how to fix what you did.
You're gonna pay for it.
Get your pen and paper out.
It does not go away.
I should have said no,
I did a rookie mistake.
because we're about to get into it.
It's the Laser Engraving Horror Stories, the special Halloween edition. Join us starting October 27th as we unveil these spine-chilling tales, one haunting story every night. Will your next engraving be your best or your last?